Today, the markets went red with SPY down 2.2% and QQQ down more than 3.6%. Nvidia's earnings came in slightly better than expected the day before, but nowhere near the blowout numbers the market has come to expect, and the AI trade still appears to be reeling from the effects of DeepSeek. Trump announced plans to move forward with 10% tariffs on China and 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico. The markets did not like that. If Trump announcing tariffs made the markets go this red, can you imagine what could happen if other countries announced reciprocal tariffs? Today, SPY broke convincingly below the strong support line that has held up since October of 2023. As I have shared in previous videos, if this multi-year rising wedge pattern is finally playing out, we may see SPY hit in the 480s in the months to come. However, SPY is approaching this strong demand zone that's between 575 and 582, where it might attempt to bounce. But we can't ignore that the markets have had many sell the rip events lately. On Monday, February 24th, QQQ broke below the main support line of the multi-month rising wedge in white, seen right here with the lower support in white and the upper resistance in white, and this began in July of 2024. And whose pattern target is at least 90 points to the downside in the coming months, placing it in a key demand zone between about 422 to 432. However, QQQ is dangerously close to the main support line of the bullish channel in purple that it's been in since July of 2023. If support can hold, we may see an aggressive bounce to the upside, but if it can't, things will likely get very bloody very fast. I have been warning of this multi-week bullish falling wedge on Dixie, the dollar strength index, and how this aggressive breakout in dollar strength could be significant headwinds for the overall market. We broke the resistance line in after hours last night, and after a small retest confirmed previous resistance as new support. This pattern is targeting a Dixie of around 108.70, where it has struggled before, but it would place it above the 50-day simple moving average, and you better believe that Dixie can do a lot of damage to the market along the way. As I've been pointing out and shared in my last video, there are nested patterns on the VIX, a multi-week, a multi-month, and multi-year pattern. The first, which is targeting a VIX of 22 to 23, has already begun playing out. If it breaks this red resistance line that has acted as strong resistance since January of 2022, as we can see here, this descending triangle pattern with a target of over 50 points may play out, leading to a VIX spike higher than the August 5th market crash, where it was over 65. On January 27th, Nvidia broke below its main support line that goes all the way back to October of 2022, which you can see right here. And after a retest of the breakdown around 143, it has now fallen again to about 120. If this massive multi-year rising wedge that goes back to at least November of 2021, and whose resistance line has held up since October of 2018, is finally playing out, then Nvidia will fall to no less than around 97 in the months to come, placing it at a key monthly support level. Tomorrow, February 28th at 8:30 a.m., core PCE, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, is coming out. If it comes in hot, I could see the markets continue to sell off. And we may even see a waterfall event if the main channel support line on QQQ gets broken. However, if it comes in as expected or lower than expected, the markets may use demand on SPY and support on QQQ to bounce sharply, and they're already hitting into weekly support. Best of luck, cool cats. God bless, and sub and tap those notifications for more market-moving insights. This is not financial advice, and you should consult a licensed financial advisor before making any financial decisions. While I was recording this tonight, our beloved cat Sai was hit by a car. I debated whether or not to even release the video, but decided to add a memorial for him. Sai, we miss you, and we hope that you're playing in the cat box in the sky.